Hey there, in this video we're going to look at arrowheads and some more advanced stroke things. It's not super exciting, but we all need to know how to make arrows, and there's some little tricks you can use to help your workflow. Alright, I'm on page 3, and let's look at arrowheads first. So I've got the line tool. I'm going to drag out a line. I'm going to make it a bit thicker. Okay, make sure my stroke is at black, and I've got a thickness of 5 point. Now the stroke panel might look like this, okay, where it's quite small. You can only change the weight. You can double click this little tab here and it gets ginormous, okay, and get a lot more options, and this is what we're looking for. So the first one is the start and end. Basically this is easy where you get your arrowheads. So depending on how you've drawn your line, so start is where I first started drawing, so I want the opposite way. So I want you to be there, a little barbed end one. It's not the one I like. Okay, I'm just going to have I just want the triangle, and the start I might do, I don't know, I feel like an Austin Powers love mail symbol thing. It's one of those. Now, one of the things and the new things for 2018 is that when you scaled it up, okay, you end up getting kind of like disproportionately sized ends and beginnings. You can see like that is ginormous compared to that, okay, because the stroke is the same around the outside. But now what you can do is see scale. It's kind of a new thing. So I am going to scale this end bit up. You can see here I can kind of raise it up. Okay, and I can make it nice and big there to kind of match everything else there. So that's a new feature. It's not really a feature, but it's something we've all been missing. And one of the little tricks I did there was, can you see I'm making it smaller by clicking it? And it's just going down 1% at a time, slowly. Okay, if I hold shift and click that exact same option, can you see it does it in multiples of 10. So I find, well, this is just a really handy thing for anything. Okay, if you want to raise the weight of this, okay, but you want to do it in big chunks, hold shift. Any sort of option here with a number, if I want to make this go up by 1%, I just click it, but if I hold shift and click it, it goes up by multiples of 10. Okay, so what is that? It's looking kind of cool there, that size. I think I like it. All right, one of the other things for strokes that it's useful is I'm going to zoom in on this thing here. And I guess what I want to show you is end of the line to start the arrowhead. Okay, so it depends on what you need. Okay, just know that you got a few little options. We're getting a bit nerdy and a bit boring. Let's get on to the next video. I love the next one. It's fun. Let's make that flowery thing in the next video. Bye now.